Well, here we are. We're geared up. We're ready to go. Sitting on the new V-Strom 650. I've just taken it for a little spin. It certainly handles different from what I'm used to. But hey, that's the fun of riding a new machine. So we've got 5 riders with us today. 2 of them are riding 2 up. And that'll be a little bit different. So yeah, it's good. We'll be on our way here shortly in 2 or 3 minutes. This is bumpy old stuff. Unfortunately, there's no way to get out of Bike Mexico's garage without riding on this cobblestone. Stuff is slippery, bumpy. We get out here, we get onto some asphalt, and that'll be better. There we go. And now we have to wait for the rest of our riders to catch up to us. We're making our way out of Puerto Vallarta. Cruise ship Wednesday, so it's a good day to be getting out of town. We got everybody with us now. 1 in front, 4 behind. Look at those guys. Man, they are huge. Not my idea of a holiday on one of those things. First impressions of this bike. Well, it's certainly not set up the way I would set it up. There's way too much play in the throttle, and the shifting in the transmission is a little clunky. That could be because I'm shifting and too low on RPM. We'll find out when we get it out on the highway and get the opportunity to wind it out a little bit more in the gears, and see if it shifts a little smoother with a little more RPM behind those shifts. Ever-present road construction. Never seems to stop. I don't know where our tour leader is gone. I don't see him. Probably pulled off up ahead and is waiting for us, so we've got separated here. Maybe not. I can see his shadow. He's in front of this black Ford right in front of me. Busy, busy. Morning rush, morning traffic in Puerto Vallarta. First hint of off-road. From what Jürgen says, up here a little bit farther, we actually get detoured off the road, down onto some gravel, loop around, and then make our way back up onto the asphalt again. Sounds like it's a little bit rough, or going to be rough. And we just another test of this bike to see how it handles it.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's the ravine. The ravine's 2,000 feet deep.
Oh.
The old road used to go up here. There's the new bridge over. What's amazing with the bridge is the dips in it. They certainly didn't use a level, this bridge. From this angle. Wow. I hope that's not settling that's happened after the bridge was built. And when you see the way it's perched here on the side of the ravine, make you almost a little bit nervous to go across it.